Show that the points 1, 7, 4, 2, minus 1, 1 and minus 4, 4 are the vertices of a square. What is a square? In a square, all the four sides are equal and the diagonals are also equal. We have to prove that one. Now, let a 1, 7, 4, 2, minus 1, minus 1 be the given points. Now let us join the points to get a shape like this, that is a quadrilateral. And now we have to prove that all its sides are equal. And let us also join the opposite sides to get diagonals. And we have to prove both of its diagonals are equal. Now we have to prove all sides are equal. Now let us find the length of AB. Let this point be x1, y1 and this point be x2, y2. Now let us find the length of all sides and diagonals using the formula d is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Now let us find the distance between AB. Length of AB. Here x2 is 4 minus x1 is 1 square plus y2 is 2, y1 is 7 whole square. That is equal to 4 minus 1 is 3 square. 2 minus 7 is minus 5 the square. 3 square is 9 plus minus 5 square is 25. That is equal to root of 34 units. Now let us find the length of BC. Let this be x1, y1 and this be x2, y2. So BC is equal to square root of minus 1 minus 4 the square plus minus 1 minus 2 the square, that is equal to minus 5 the square plus minus 3 the square, that is equal to 25 plus 9, that is equal to square root of 34 units. Now let us find the length of DC or CD, both are same. Let this point be x1, y1 and this be x2, y2. So CD is equal to square root of x1 is minus 4 minus minus 1 the whole square. Y2 is negative of 1. Y1 is 4. That is equal to minus 4 minus minus 1, that is plus 1. Minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3 the square plus minus 1 minus 4, that is minus 5 the square, that is equal to minus 3 the square is 9. Square root of, don't forget to put square root of in each step, plus this plus minus 5 the square, that is 25, that is equal to 34 units. Now let us find the length of AD or DA. Both are same. Let this point be x1, y1. This point be x2, y2. So AD is equal to square root of minus 4, 1. Minus 4 minus 1 the whole square. 4 minus 7 plus 4 minus 7, that is equal to, this is minus 5 square plus this is minus 3 the square, that is equal to 25 plus 9, that is equal to square root of 34 units. Here we have observed that AB is equal to square root of 34 units. BC is also square root of 34 units. CD also square root of 34 units. AD also square root of 34 units. So now we have AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. So all sides are equal. Now let us find the length of AC and also BD. Let this point be x1, y1 and this be x2, y2. Now let us find the length. Square root of x2 is minus 1 minus 1 the square. Y1 is minus 1, y2 is 7 the whole square. Here minus 1 what it is? Minus 2 the square. Here minus 1 minus 7 what it is? Minus 8 the square. That is equal to, this is 4, this is 64. That is equal to square root of 68 units. Now let us find the length of BD. BD is equal to square root of, let this point be x1, y1, this point be x2, y2. x1 is minus 4 minus 4. y2 is 4, y1 is 2. That is equal to square root of, this is minus 8 whole square. If you forget anything, please correct it in the next step only. Otherwise, you will forget everything. Okay. Minus 8 square plus this is 4 minus 2, 2 square. Minus 8 the square is 64. 2 the square is 4. That is equal to 68 units. Hence now we have AC is also square root of 68 units. BD also square root of 68 units. So diagonals are equal to each other. So AC is equal to BD, that is square root of 68 units. Since AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA and also AC is equal to BD, all four sides of the quadrilateral ABCD are equal and also its diagonals AC and BD also equal. So therefore ABCD is a square.